Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your avatar on Litmatch Make New Friends app. Okay, so this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you learn how to do this. So here you can see the option. It's your profile. Okay, simply tap on the right bottom corner on your screen. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you can see the option avatar. You can click here or you can go settings. It's easiest way. Tap on your avatar and you can see edit avatar and edit frame. So simply tap on the edit avatar, then you'll see here some avatar, but not everyone is free. Everything is free. You have to buy the premium thing, and if you want to choose the free, then simply tap on the one. You can see the below part is called free. It's written free, so I just keep it the simple. So after that, simply tap on the confirm, and you can see you can also change the you can see you can change something like a nose, mustache. I just confirm it. You can utilize it, and after that you can see it's successfully added. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.